Right now I got about 0.3 amps battery drains here. So I'm 2008 Holden VE Commodore VE UTE. It comes in for the battery drain, and I got about 0.3 amps battery drain at the battery. And then start checking the voltage drops at this fuse box across the checking the voltage drops across the fuses. Now they are all good. And checking this side fuse as well. And yeah, I noticed one of the fuse to do this type of fuse, to do this one, power 6 20 amps. So yeah, the fuse is off. I got 0.03 amps, so which is acceptable. Speaking of the power 6, I don't think these fuse just located right here. I'm not sure how we can see here. It's behind this fuse, next to it, yeah, to the power 6. And this car does have a third fuse box, which is next to the battery. So yeah, just keep a little bit of fuse diagrams here, just in case you need to check. Alright, my back, there's a power 6 switch. Actually, this driver's side, the seats only go up and down. Show you. But not the forward. But yeah, noticed there's a sticky, sort of sticky switch. So we're calling when you stack up, then kind of just have about 0.3 amps draw. So now I can operate the switch now. Power 6 switch. Yeah, you can see the up and down, the current. Yeah, couldn't make it work. Oh yeah, little bit.